I'm thinking of quitting social media. What if it's a chance to gain more focus and productivity in my life? That sounds like a radical idea. What makes you think your life is so chaotic that you need an escape from social media? What's your proposal? Agroforestry and permaculture, where technology enhances biodiversity, not control, and yields arcs that of monoculture at lower carbon footprint. Want to see some numbers on that? Show me the math, but also what's in it for the bottom line. Oh, don't be so cynical. Can't we just assume people are trying to do good others, even if it's personal gain? Like maybe they just really want to belong, make a difference. Isn't that worth exploring? Now, I'd rather explore the self-serving motivations behind every good deed that doesn't serve anyone in the long run. What's your definition of authentic anyway? That sounds so cynical. I think authentic